What's going on YouTube? My name is Make Money Malik and I'm here to teach you how to make money online. Now, if you want to know how to make $500 in less than an hour on the internet, then what I need you to do is I need you to hit the like button. I need you to ring the notification bell and I need you to subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get into the video. Now, the site we're going to look at today is a site called fore.com. Now, fore.com is where companies come to have pictures and videos for their brand or commercial or ad that's coming out for whatever product, right? It's kind of like a professional stock photo site. But the caveat is it's not for professional photographers, right? These companies are looking for people and pictures and videos that are more natural, not your straight up stock photo, very posed, very poised looking pictures, right? They need something that's more organic. They need something that's more authentic, and they come to this website and they pay a whole lot of money to be on here, and they spend their money and they get all kinds of videos and photos uploaded by everyday people. You can see that Nivea uses them, Heineken, they have all kinds of banks, right? And the companies come here and this is the page they see. You know, they just want something really quick and easy. They got a new product coming out and they don't have time to hire an agency to create a custom commercial or photo or ad. So they come to this website and they just buy whatever's here and they use it, put their branding on it, and it's out. I'm sure you've probably actually seen a few of these pictures and videos on TV or on the internet while you're browsing, right? But companies come here and they go to this website and they just look at it and they go through all these pictures, and you can see they have the different sizes now. So they're even using this for the internet, 9x16, right? That's just your Instagram story, that's your Snapchat, that's your Facebook story, right? So you've probably seen some faux commercial with this dimension size on it, and a company just came over this website and grabbed it. But you can see that it's a pretty enticing site, you know, help other fopers, right? But we don't really care about this. We don't really care about this. Again, Forbes, NBC, Fast Company, these are qualified agencies and businesses that have basically co-signed this and said, no, this is a great opportunity, right? But we don't care about any of this. What we do care about is this tab up here that says for creators, right? And we want to sell our content. So this is where you go to sign up to be a photographer. Now, I know some of you were kind of hesitant because you thought to yourself, oh, I don't have a professional video camera or photo camera, and I'm not going to be able to spend that kind of money just to get this back and invest into that. No, that's not what you have to do. You can literally take pictures that you probably already have on your phone and make $500 off of it. All you have to do is come to this website. So this is for creators, right? We looked at the previous screen, which was for the companies who are interested in purchasing the products. Now we're going to look at the people who are actually making this, all right? And the beautiful part that you see right off of the bat is that they have an app. They have an app for iOS and Android. So if you download the app, you can have all of this information right in the palm of your hands, right? But take time to make extra money with your videos and your photos. Again, this is stuff you probably already have in your phone. You don't even really have to do much work, right? But if we scroll down a bit, we'll read how it works, right? It says, how does it work? Simply upload your videos and photos to earn money. What did I tell you? I told you. You didn't believe me, but I told you. Listen, all you have to do is make an account and just scroll through the site, check it out, see what people are up to, and then if you have something that matches what they're looking for, just upload it. You know, you got pictures of your dog. You see this over here, like this little girl. Like, I know some of you have photos of your animals. Like, everyone loves dogs. You can completely make money off of the dog photos in your phone right now, right? You can also take these challenges, right? You can have what they call missions, but they're challenges, right? They're like contests. And you go and you upload your photo, and so do hundreds of other people, maybe even thousands of other people. And then the company or brand chooses which photo they like the best, and they put it in their campaign and give out the money. Now, if you stay for a little while, I'm going to give you the cheat code to really win all of these missions, right? It's super easy, and you don't even have to take the pictures yourself, right? I know that sounds crazy, but I have I have a workaround. I have a fix. Trust me. Now, all you have to do is visit the site. You can go to the App Store and download the application, and you can get started right away. You don't even need to wait to do any of this. Upload your dog photos today, and you could possibly win $500. All right. Now, you can have this video to watch, and it basically tells you a much more in-depth, specific way of how this all works, but we don't need to do all of that right now. You can do that on your own time. What I do want to do is get to the bottom of this page, and I want us to go to, you see this thing that says photo missions? We're going to click on this, and this is what I was talking about with the challenges, all right? So this company has uploaded this competition, and this competition is basically saying, hey, I need pictures like this. And then this competition is saying, I need pictures like this. I want black and white photos. Best black and white photo wins $500, right? I'm sure you already have black and white photos in your phone right now. All right, so you can do black and white. You can do body wash. They have kids for you. For those of you who have kids, maybe you're a stay-at-home mom. And at the end of all of these missions, they have, the rewards: $50 here, $100 here, $100 here. And the great thing is you don't have to do just one contest. You can do all of the contests. You could potentially win way more than $500. You could win maybe even $1,000 if you win multiple competitions, right? Now, again, I know I told you that I was going to give you the workaround because some of you are still like, well, how am I going to do this? I'm not a professional photographer. Yes, there probably are some professional photographers on this website, but we're not going to worry about that. What you could do to get around this is you could go to a website called Pixababy. Pixababy is a royalty-free stock photo website. Royalty-free means that you don't have to pay anybody else. Royalty-free means we can use these images however we want to, right? That's exactly why they're here. These are images for people to use. Now, if you go over to FOPE and you scroll through the competitions and you see, monochrome photography, $500, okay, the best black and white photo is going to get $500. You go over to Pixababy and you say black and white, and you get all of these. Look, this would totally win a competition, right? This would totally win a competition. All of these are incredible photos, right? Now, all you have to do is you have to take these photos and upload them to FOPE for whatever the mission is, right? And you just have to sit back, wait, and collect your money. And again, this isn't illegal. You're not going to get in trouble for this, right? This is a royalty-free site. This is actually what it's supposed to be. And you have an immense amount of photos to choose from. They have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of photos for you to go through so you can upload and make money off of that. We're trying to hustle, people. We're doing hustle. This is the hustle. This is how we get to where we got to get to. How do we save a little bit of money? How do we make more money on the side? And if you're not interested in this, I still suggest that you watch to the end of the video because I'm going to tell you the best way to make money online if you're not feeling this right here. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to give you another site. Even if you don't find anything on this site, maybe you go through and you're like, you know what, I'm not really feeling any of this. I don't see how this can apply. This is a little too professional. I don't think they'll believe that, I took this picture. Okay, that's fine. Here we go. We'll go to another site. The next site, I'm giving you free game right now, people. The next site is Pexels. Pexels is probably my favorite site out of all of the other ones just because, I don't know, I just feel like their photos and the things they provide are way more realistic and way more high quality. They're also more artistic, which I think is something that helps with FOPE, right? FOPE is a place to where you can show your creativity, and I think Pexels is one of the stock websites that I think has the most creativity. I mean, you can already see on the front page, all of this is way more artistic than the stuff we were looking at before, But again, you would just go over to FOPE and see what competition you wanted to go to and see what, photos they need and what they're looking for. Then you go over to Pexels.com and you type in black and white, or you type in nature or creativity or childlike, and you take the picture, you upload it to the competition, and you see what happens. Now, what also they have, if you scroll back down to the website, they also have video missions. So it doesn't even have to be just photos. It could be videos. Remember, we were talking about your dog can make you $500. Well, maybe if you have a video of your dog, you can also win $500, right? Or even more, because you never know. You can upload videos and pictures into multiple competitions and just, try your hand at it. And now that you have the websites that have the extremely high quality photos, you don't have to worry about it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go over, and I know that you probably are thinking like, hey, I don't think that I can make this picture or make this video the way we need to. What you can do is you can go over to this website right here called Videvo, right? And they have, again, royalty-free stock videos. Now you can take these videos, again, the dog. We were talking about the dog earlier. The dogs are going to get you winning, completely winning on all of this. We're talking about the dogs, and we're going to scroll, we're going to scroll, we're going to scroll. You see all of these are stock videos that you can use. You can use every single one of these to upload to the competition. And once you do that, again, this isn't a problem. This is what they're here for. This is what they're supposed to be doing. You go over here, look, newest videos, collections. They're constantly uploading this stuff, so you're never going to run out of content. You go over here, pick the video, go back to the website, and then after that, you upload and just sit back and wait for the information to come in to see if you won the contest. If you won the contest, then hey, you just won yourself $500. Now, I know this is going to take a whole lot of time, and we don't want to trade our time for our money. We want to make money while we sleep, and the only way to do that is to have real passive income. Now, if you're interested in learning how to have real passive income, then I need you to click the link in the bio. And this isn't for anyone who's just kind of using this or watching this video for a part-time position, or they're just trying to save up a little bit of money to do something. This is specifically for entrepreneurs who are trying to quit their 9-to-5 and make full-time income off of the internet. Now, if you're interested in that, then click the first link in the bio to figure out and learn my #1 way of having an online business. My name is Make Money Malik. Peace.